Hi, this is Ken. Again, we're going to try another demo of our server paging system here. The server paging system from LRS is one of our core products. It's started with the guest paging system, however, server paging, as far as I'm concerned, is essential in every market. As you can see, we have our low-end systems, up to 12 servers. We go up to a system that can handle up to 16 waiters. We have a simple system here that will do up to 5 waiters and waitresses. And then we have our elite system, which can page up to 30 or 99 staff members, but it also has wireless cancel panel capability. One of the core features about the LRS server paging system is that we try to keep your best salespeople, your waiters and waitresses, in front of the customer. So instead of standing back, waiting at the kitchen, talking about last weekend, they will be out in front of the customers asking them, would you like another glass of wine? Have you tried our dessert tonight? The more they're in front of the customer and selling your product, the more you'll have increased revenues and less staff will be needed on the floor. Server paging will do that. As far as I'm concerned, every restaurant needs server paging. So let's go over some of the features of the different products we have here. Very simple. When you push a button on one of our server paging systems, push a button, it pages the staff pager, as you can see here. Very simple. I push a button, the server comes back and picks up the food order from the kitchen. This essentially is the same transmitter. However, you can write the names down of each waiter and waitress who has what pager. And again, push a button, and it pages the pager. This system here will handle up to 16. Once again, I can push a button and page the staff member. Now this is one of our core products. The Star Pager is a core server pager. It's very durable. It's been on the market for about 10 years. Very reliable server pager. This system also works with some of our alphanumeric pagers. And you may ask, why would I need alphanumeric pagers if I just want to buzz them back to the kitchen? The alphanumeric pager is great for identifying table numbers. If you'd like to add on to our system one of our Table Genie products to allow the customer to push a button for service, they would need a digital readout so they would know what table was pushing the button. So that's the only reason why a server would need one of the digital pagers. One thing that's unique about LRS and our server paging line is our wireless cancel panels. As you can see back here, the wireless cancel panel, if you come around the front, you'll be able to see this is what sits back in the kitchen. The unit like this, and it faces the cook, just like this where it has 1 to 31. It's very simple. I push a button and you can see it pages the pager. Over on this side is a wireless cancel panel, and the wireless cancel panel, you come back as a server, pick up your food, and push the button underneath your letter, underneath your number. This cancels the page. Now, because it's a trade show and we don't want people waiting too long, you'll notice I'm paging about every 10 seconds. However, because I still did not pick up my food, we're going to come over here, and in just a second you will see the manager pager just went off with a notice saying server 3 has not responded. So in this case, a manager can come help expedite the food out of the kitchen as well as cancel the page. And right here is just the time. One of the features about this system that no other server paging system on the market has is the end of night reports. The end of night reports are critical for management, where you can see on a report the server number, each of the server pagers, how many times they were paged throughout the night, what is their average response time, how long did it take them to come back to the kitchen, and how many times the manager was paged. So a simple report like this can print out automatically at, let's say, 11 o'clock every night on a simple POS printer. So now you have statistics to see which waiter or waitress and how fast they're responding to the customer, to the kitchen's request. that concludes our server paging line. I think we have the most extensive line for server pagers here in the market, from the very low end to a higher end system. We're here to suit your needs. Thank you.